Well, everyone, iOS 15 is right around the corner. We are literally about to be getting this update on Monday, and which is literally tomorrow from me making this, audio. And what I can tell you is that you should not install iOS 15, the beta, on your main device. I honestly don't care if it's, the best looking software in the world, if it looks so cool, if it's this and that. On your main device, you should not even think about installing a beta. And this is more apparent now than ever. Even on like iOS 14.7 beta, we've been getting a lot of issues on that too. And I've been installing betas since I think like iOS 9 or iOS 10. And ever since then, I can tell you firsthand, there are tons of issues on literally every single iPhone across the board when you install a beta for the first time. Battery issues, overheating issues, all those things. But that is not, a proponent and exact replica of what the, final version, official version of iOS 15 is going to look like. The last version of iOS 15 in terms of a beta, or like the first version of the official version, is going to be much more stable, and then it makes sense to go ahead and actually, install it if you want to. But even then, I probably won't recommend it. Whether you have an iPhone 12, an iPhone 13 in the future, installing it is not the best way. Installing a beta for the first beta, it just does not make any sense to do it. Even on my personal phone, even though I have experience installing betas and all this stuff, I still don't even install it on my main phone until like iOS 15.2 or 15.1. I don't even plan on installing it on my main phone. I do plan on installing it on my other phones because I have to talk about them, but it just does not make any sense to install it officially on your phone if you're planning on, using your phone on an everyday basis. Things like battery drain, that is the biggest problem with these betas. I heard iOS 15 is going to be a big battery rehaul, so it's going to fix your battery life and all this stuff. Even then, it's probably not going to be comparable to iOS 14. So I would still recommend staying on iOS 14 until the official version of iOS 15 comes out. On top of this, I know a lot of people that will go ahead and install iOS 15 and then they'll want to go ahead and downgrade back to iOS 14, but the process to do that is not easy, and there can be a lot of cases where a lot of your stuff can be deleted. You can brick your phone, you can delete everything off of it, and a lot of people do not take my advice and don't make backups, so they lose everything on their phone. So that is another pretty big reason. Even if you install it, you have the opportunity to go back to the, beta or the official version below it, but some people may not be able to successfully recover most of their data, to be honest. So that's another really big problem. And those are the main things in my opinion. And on top of that, for people who own like a Apple Watch, you will need to be on watchOS 8 to use iOS 15, or vice versa. To use your Apple Watch on iOS 15, you will need to be on the latest beta of that version. And that's another problem. You need to be, updating basically all your iPads and all your MacBooks and all these things to the next beta in order to use them, successfully. So take it as you will, but that's essentially how I would kind of sum this up. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.